Good morning, class. Today we're looking at data handling. We're looking at the examples for exercise. We spoke about commutative and qualitative, qualitative. Then we spoke about mean, median, mode, and then we spoke about when we got a table. You spoke about frequency table, and we calculated the mean thereof. We spoke about stem and leaf diagram. Correct? Did we do this example already? They recorded. Okay. So let's just refresh here quickly so that we can. So this was examples for exercise 13.4. Is that correct? I'll check myself. Yep, it's 13.4. That's on page 301. That example on page 301. And the example was on page 300. Okay. So we read through this information here. As you know, we would like to keep these videos a bit short, or as short as possible. All right. So we say the semi-leaf diagram is a useful way to organize data as it is collected. In a semi-leaf diagram, each number is separated into a stem, the leftmost digit or digits, and the leaf, the rightmost digit. Okay, so the leaf always represents one digit of the number itself. Okay, a key is usually given to indicate to the reader the stem and the leaf diagram, what the number in the data set looks like. So normally there's the key given. If the stem and leaf is given, no, then the key must be given. Okay, normally when you guys are asked to construct the stem and leaves, we don't penalize you if we leave out the key. Okay. So at the end, I'll just, if I don't forget, I'll just specify like what the key would look like. Or I can do it at the beginning. Okay, so here we are told that 29 learners wrote a test. The percentages are, but remember this we did because on Friday, no? There was load shedding. So I'm just going through it quickly so that we can have this as part of our series of recordings here. Okay, so the question says 29 learners wrote a test. The percentages are, and they are listed there. Okay, they said in A, use a stem and leaf diagram to organize this data. So as you can see, the lowest value is 11, nah? And the highest value is, I see 72, 90 is 90. So, so that's going to be 11. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so this is, so the first one, so it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Wait, people also we won't have numbers like we're not going to have in the units because the units are not represented, and we're not going to go in the hundreds either because there's no numbers in the hundreds. Can you see that, people? So let's go. The first one is 44. So if you're looking at the key would look like this: 4 stroke 4. As you can see, the stroke is indicated by that there. 4 stroke 4 is equal to 44. That's basically a key. You guys understand? Alright. The next one is going to be 51, and then 11, then 90. So 90, then 76. Can somebody just read the numbers out? 36, 64, 37, 43, 72, 52. Sorry? Not 52. Can somebody read out the order? So it's not 70, it's not 52. Supposed to be 53. So how to carry on? 62, 36, 74, 51, 51, 72,
37,
37,
18,
18,
18,
18,
38,
38,
61,
61,
47,
47,
63,
63,
36,
36,
22,
22,
37,
37,
51,
51,
46,
46,
85,
85,
30.
30. So this data is not sorted. Okay, so we must sort the data. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. So it's 1, 3, 8, as you can see here. Then you got 22. Then you got 3 sixes, 3 sevens, and an 8. Okay? Is a 3, a 4, say a 6 and 7, 3 ones, and a 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, double 2, 4, 6, a 5, and a
0.
Okay, you all okay with that? And since there are 22 numbers, I just check. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. So yes, I got 29 numbers. That is just to ensure that I didn't leave a number out or I didn't make a mistake or any of the sort. Okay. So the question in B says, use the stem and leaf diagram to find the mode. People, what's the mode? The mode is the number that occurs the most. So the number that occurs the most here is 36, 37, and 51. So it's 36, 37, and 51. Okay? So that numbers all occurs the most, it all occurs at the frequency of 3. Okay? And then number 2 is the median. People, the median is the middle number of sorted data, not so. So there are how many numbers here? 29. 29 divided by 2 is 14 and a half. So it's the 15th number. Not so. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. Let me just check here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 47 is your mode. Okay. Number 2, the mean. So to calculate the mean, I must add up all these numbers. So we go add up all these numbers. It's going to give you 11 plus 13 plus 18 plus 22. Somebody just carry on. It's 336, yes.
37,
337, yes.
38,
Is it 38?
43,
43,
44,
44,
46,
46,
47,
47,
51 times 3,
51 times 3, yes.
53,
53,
61,
61,
62,
62,
63,
63,
64,
64,
72 times 2,
72 times 2,
4, 74,
74,
76,
76,
85,
85,
90.
90. So I give an answer 1426. 1426, and there's 29 numbers there. Which now gives us divided by 29, 49, comma 17. You all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then the last question. Which measure of central tendency is best describes a typical mark for this test? And we said the mode, no,
Not a mode.
the median. The median would be a nice representation there. As you can see, it's lying about there, 50% mark of the data there. Also, as because there are a few high values here, and there's few extreme low values here. mean to say the bulk of it is happening here. Can you see here? The bulk of the mark is happening here. Because there are extreme values, okay? Not necessarily outliers, but extreme values. That is going to distort your mean. Okay, we spoke extensively about that already. So if there is outliers, we opt always with a median to be your best measure of central tendency. Central tendency is the value that they best represent the data set. Okay. So with that, you were able to answer exercise 13.4. Where's the marker? Can I pull it down? There we go. Okay, so now we're going to go into. Was there any problems with the homework? No. Okay, so we're going to go into 13.5 and then start a new video here quickly.